Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cool leaderboard hologram setup on your Minecraft server using Aternos. Open your Aternos panel and create your Minecraft server. After creating the server, go to the software section. Here, you need to choose paper/bucket because we are going to use plugins for this setup. Now select the Minecraft version you want to use. Make sure your plugins support that version. After selecting the version, go to the Plugins section. Now we need to install the plugins. First, click on Essentials, then click Install. After it installs, go back to the Plugins page. Now select Vault and install it too. Vault is important because it connects economy plugins with other plugins like leaderboards. Now go back again and click on PlaceholderAPI. Then install the latest version. This plugin is very important because it allows us to use placeholders. After that, we need to click LuckPerms and install it. LuckPerms helps us manage permissions properly, especially if some leaderboard features are not updating. Now search for DecentHolograms. Click on DecentHolograms and install the latest version. This plugin will display our leaderboard as holograms inside the server. Finally, search for ajLeaderboards. Click on ajLeaderboards and install it. This plugin is what actually creates and updates the leaderboard data. So now we have installed all the required plugins. Here you can see the plugins that we installed are now added to the server files. Now let's start the server. Wait until the server fully starts. After the server is started, go back to Files, then open the Plugins folder. Now open the DecentHolograms folder. Inside that, open the Holograms folder. Now download all the YAML files from the link given in the video description. After downloading, upload or paste all those .yml files inside this Holograms folder. These files are the ready-made leaderboard hologram files. Now go back to your server panel and make yourself operator. Now join your server. Once you are inside the server, the first thing you need to do is reload DecentHolograms. Use this command, /dh-reload. This will reload the DecentHolograms plugin and load all the hologram files that we uploaded. After reloading, let's check if the holograms are loaded properly. Use this command, /dh-list. Now you can see all the new holograms are listed here. By default, these holograms are placed at coordinates 0, 0, 0. As you can see, all the holograms are here. Now, if you want to move any hologram from this place, you can easily move it using DecentHolograms commands. And if you don't need some holograms, you can delete them. Using /dh delete hologram-name. So you can move, place, and delete the holograms however you want. Now, if you want to move any hologram from this place, you can easily move it using DecentHolograms commands. For example, if you want to move a hologram to your current location, use, for example, /dh move here top-balance. /dh move here hologram-name. Replace hologram-name with the actual hologram name. Now I'm going to show you how to make these leaderboards actually work. For that, go back to your Aternos files. Open the Plugins folder, then open the DecentHolograms folder. Now go inside the Holograms folder and open any YAML file, like topbalance.yml. Inside each YAML file, you can see a full guide written in the comments. These comments tell you exactly which commands you need to run for that leaderboard. For example, in the Balance Leaderboard file, the guide tells us to download the Vault expansion for PlaceholderAPI. So in-game, run this command, /poppyecloud download vault. After downloading the expansion, reload PlaceholderAPI /poppyreload. Now, after PlaceholderAPI is ready, we need to add the placeholder to ajLeaderboards. This command adds the placeholder data into ajLeaderboards, so it can track the top players and show them properly in the hologram. Now, to make sure the leaderboard updates for everyone, use this LuckPerms command, /LP group default permission set. This allows the default group players to update in the leaderboard. Also, don't forget to download the player expansion because it helps show player names properly in the leaderboard. Then reload PlaceholderAPI again. So basically, for every hologram file, just open the YAML file, read the guide, download the required placeholder expansion, reload PlaceholderAPI, add the placeholder to ajLeaderboards, then reload DecentHolograms. Now let me show you how to create your own custom leaderboard hologram. First, go to the PlaceholderAPI Wiki. There, you can find many different placeholders. For example, if you want a statistics leaderboard, open the Statistic expansion page. If you want placeholders from another plugin, search for that plugin name and check its placeholders. Now choose the placeholder you want to use. For example, find MobKill's placeholder. After that, go back to your Aternos files. Now create a new file. For example, I'm creating mobkills.yml. Now click on any existing YAML file, like top-balance. Copy everything inside that file. Paste the copied content inside this new file. And find the old placeholder. After finding it, skip the percentage and select everything on the middle. And copy it. Now click Ctrl+F. Replace the old placeholder with the new placeholder that you copied from the PlaceholderAPI Wiki. Now that we have replaced the placeholder, we also need to change the title of the hologram. To do that, simply find the title text. For example, this hologram is currently called Top Deaths. Just copy the text and replace it with whatever you want. In my case, I'm creating a Mob Kills leaderboard, so I changed Top Deaths to Top Mob Kills. You can also customize the colors if you'd like. Feel free to make it match your server's style or theme. Next, don't forget to change the icon. As you can see, this hologram is currently using a skeleton skull icon. Since this is a Mob Kills leaderboard, I'm going to replace it with a diamond sword instead. Once you've finished editing everything, save the file. Now let's go back into Minecraft. To apply the changes, reload DecentHolograms using /dh-reload. After the reload is complete, check the hologram list /dh-list. And as you can see, our custom hologram is now showing up in the list. Now move it to the location where you want it to appear. You can use /dh move here mob kills or any other move command you prefer. At this point, you may notice that the hologram says something like, "Board doesn't exist." To fix that, simply use /ajlb add. This will create the leaderboard and start tracking the data. After adding it, wait a few moments and you'll see the hologram begin updating. Keep in mind that updates are not always instant. Depending on your configuration, it may take up to 1 minute before the leaderboard fully refreshes and displays the correct data. That's because the default update interval for DecentHolograms and many leaderboard setups is around 60 seconds. So if you don't see the data immediately, just give it a little time. And that's it. Your custom leaderboard hologram is now fully working and ready to use.